So now this is the dress. I want to make it into a skirt and a top. So nothing much for the top. So what I'm going to do for the top, I'm going to cut around here, just some inches below the elastic, and then hem, and that will be the top. So let's do that. And I'm also recording, so expect some noise because every time I start recording there's noise. Yeah, so let's do the top first and then we do the skirt. So this is what is going to be the top. So now I'm just going to do the usual, fold twice down here and hem round. I am done hemming the top, so my top is complete. Yay, it looks so pretty. See that? See that? Ooh, can you see that? Ooh, yeah, it looks so pretty. So let's do the skirt now. Yep, so this is what I have. So what I'm going to do first thing is to just make sure the top is leveled. So now once that is done, I'm going to just fold a little bit of it and hem round so that yeah, I'm just, because I don't have a serger, so I'm just going to hem round and then come back. I'm done hemming the top, so now we can work with this. Yeah, so now what I'm going to do is to turn it, like flip it inside out, and then I'm just going to mark my waist. So I'm going to be using an elastic, and I want to have like a paper bag, a little like paper bag effect at the top. So what I'm going to do is I'll fold I'm folding like 2 inches so that there is enough room for the elastic, because the elastic is 1 inch, and then a little bit of space at the top for the paper bag effect. So I'm just going to mark. So when I fold, it's 2 inches. When I put it like this, it's going to be like like 3.5 inches from the top. So I'm going to mark 3.5 inches from the top all round so that I fold it. So now what I'm going to do is fold and pin. So now this is what I have. I have pinned it down. So I'm just going to mark where the elastic is going to be, and then I will sew like this. You see this fold, so I'm just going to mark. So this is where I'm going to sew, and this space right here is also where I'm going to sew. So I'm going to mark at what point up here I'm going to sew, and then down here. So I will mark and sew the top part first, and then the bottom part round, and leave some space for the elastic. So I am going to sew along this line that I have marked, and then also sew down here at the bottom, and then leave some space where I will insert the elastic. So this is how it's looking right now. I sewed the top part and then the bottom part also, and left some space. Where is it? And left some opening here to put the elastic through. Okay, so now this fabric is kind of see-through, so I want to put like lining. So what I've done, so that I don't get confused, I've just turned the skirt to the right side, put in the lining in the manner that I want it, so that this wrong side of the skirt faces the wrong side of the lining. And then what I'm going to do is just you see this hanging piece over here is what I am going to attach the lining to. Okay, and I will do that after I install the elastic. So if I flip this inside out, like that, and then I also put this in that manner. So I'm gonna sew the lining on this piece that is hanging like that, and then I will flip it like this, so that it won't, the raw part or the rough part or this raw edge will not be visible on this side. Make sense? Yeah. I am done putting in the elastic, so I'm just going to sew the elastic together, put it inside, and sew the opening that was open here. So I'm done. This is how the waist looks like. Yeah, I'm done. So this is what I have. The lining, I also hemmed it. Yeah, yes. So maybe I model it now for you guys. Yep.